Has your check engine light or transmission warning light suddenly turned on, leaving your engine stalling out of nowhere? The problem might be a dangerously high internal temperature inside your vehicle's brain, known as code P0634. This is a generic trouble code that applies to many OBD-II vehicles from 1996 and newer, including domestic brands like Chevy, Ford, and GMC. This code is associated with the internal temperature sensors inside your main control modules. Your car has a powertrain control module, an engine control module, and a transmission control module. Sometimes, these are all combined into one big unit. These modules have sensors inside them to monitor their own temperature, because extreme heat can destroy sensitive electronics. When the computer detects an internal temperature that is way too high, it sets code P0634. The symptoms of this code can range from a simple check engine light to severe drivability issues. You might find that your engine simply will not start, or you might be driving down the road and the engine suddenly stalls out. You could also experience improper shifting, like hard jerks, or failing to shift gears at all. And of course, you will see your transmission warning lamp or check engine light illuminated on the dashboard. The causes for this extreme module heat usually boil down to electrical resistance. Common causes include corroded or damaged electrical connectors, a loose or defective ground strap, faulty wiring, or a defective control module itself. To troubleshoot this, the absolute first step is to research technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle. If there is a factory update or known wiring flaw, this is where you will find it. Next, you need to locate the modules and do a thorough visual inspection of the wiring. You are looking for obvious defects like scraping, rubbing, bare wires, or burn spots. Pay very close attention to the ground straps and ground wires. A bad ground creates resistance, and resistance creates heat. Check the connectors to make sure they are secure and not full of green corrosion. You will need a digital multimeter to check the voltage and continuity. Most control modules require a reference voltage of around 9 volts, but this varies by model. You want to make sure the power and ground circuits have 0 ohms of resistance. If you find resistance, you have a wiring problem. Common repairs include cleaning corrosion from connectors, fixing faulty wiring, replacing ground straps, or in the worst case, replacing or reprogramming the control modules. A word of warning though, people often replace these expensive computers by mistake when the real issue was just a loose ground wire. If you are not comfortable testing wiring continuity or reading schematic diagrams, this is definitely the time to take your car to a trusted mechanic for an accurate diagnosis. Catching this early can save your transmission and engine from serious damage. Thanks for tuning in. Take care of your ride.